we're expecting getting a certificate, let's say in plumbing or a certificate in computing. Omwana should be in a position to chake biashara byae. Omwana should be in a position to empower themselves to start a business, to start a company. Mangana computing. The expectation, a certificate, let's say in computer science, let's say a certificate in a Bachelor of Science in IT,
yes,
should be able to code, to develop software by themselves. Software, right, to solve problems in the society. Currently, the kind of thinking we basically look towards dealing with softwares that are already available. So someone will acquire software from elsewhere and help implement in different places. Like in the system, this kind of new system. Because last week we had a meeting with from the ministry. And what they came to do, the preparedness each university towards the CBC.
Yes.
We expect in the year 2029 the new cohort of CBC should have reached university. So in 2029 tobuate intake ya CBC and we are doing away with 844. Bono chi university chire tayari kodisibwa abana baba nyorira a different kind of training which is competency based. Yeah. So the government is doing a good thing because what everybody should expect is that school with the kind of training of CBC, this kid should be able to do things without necessarily expecting to be employed by anyone else. Yes, they should be able to start up a business. They should be able to use their skills in different sectors. And the main objective is innovation and creativity. I think that is the focus with the new system.